Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff, and welcome another great day here at Perry Elementary. Today is Wednesday, May 15th of 2019, and you might have noticed that I do have some special visitors here with me. So I have Bentley. Wave, Bentley. Wave the camera. There you go. And then Nevaeh. So they are helping me out with the announcements for today. So today for May birthdays, I do not have any May birthdays to kind of announce. So not till tomorrow, actually, is the first birthday I can announce. So, and lunch choices. Nevaeh, you want to read the first lunch choice there?
Pancakes with sauce.
Sausage. Pancakes with sausage. And then Bentley, can you say that one? It's grilled barbecue chicken.
Grilled barbecue chicken.
It's a sandwich. So it's got some bread. Is that good? That would be good for you? Do you have like a barbecue ring in your mouth, you think you then? Because it would be that good? Yeah. And then Italian sub, which is just a whole bunch of cold meat in a bun. So, and today we have our paws that are brought to you by our kindergarten classes. So we'll go through that for our paws.
All right, here we go for our pause for today. We have some kindergarten students here to talk about pause and how you can have to make sure you're earning your pause.
Don't kick and don't push. Don't put hands on other people's butts or don't call names to other people. Don't point people. Listen to your teacher and don't touch the books.
Okay, thank you guys very much.
Thank you, kindergarten. Appreciate that. And today is Wednesday, and I had said a couple weeks ago that we would have a little bit of a nutrition and wellness part of our announcements. So today I thought we'd highlight something that probably all of you have seen called nutrition labels. Bentley, have you seen those labels before like that? Like on boxes of cereal? Have you seen them? No?
I have.
You have? All right.
Actually, I have.
You have seen those? It has a whole bunch of numbers on there?
Mm-hmm.
All right. We're going to watch a short little video about these, okay? So it's not the whole video, it's just part of it. Talking about nutrition labels.
Oh, hello. You've caught me doing a bit of grocery shopping. Even doctors need to eat. The question is, what in the world do these nutrition labels mean? Let's take a closer look. While we're here, why don't we chat about nutrition labels? These are black and white chart boxes on packages of food that give information about what is in the food.
How does he
You can find them by looking for the box that says nutrition facts.
Yeah, you just
Nutrition
learned about
facts say things like calories, fat, vitamins, and ingredients. But what do they all mean? Nutrition labels show the nutrients in food, which are things your body needs to stay healthy. You will see the amount of these nutrients written in G for grams, or mg for milligrams. People who are experts in nutrition have figured out about how much of each key nutrient people should eat every day. This is called the daily value of each nutrient. So, when you look at a label and see % daily value, this shows how much of that daily need of each nutrient you can get by eating this food. It's important to know that this number is based on grown-ups, so it's not the same for everyone, but it's a good helper. Let's take a look at what each part of a nutrition label means. Let's start with the ingredients list. When you make food at home,
All right, we're going to pause it right there. So if teachers want to show this video a little bit more, they can look up it on YouTube called Nutrition Fact Labels. How to read the labels. It's a kid version. So you can look that up on YouTube if you want to finish it. At this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. If you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
Wait, do I have to? Because I was just...
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Nice job, guys. Thank you, Nevaeh. Thank you, Bentley. I appreciate that. So thank you guys for helping out doing announcements for today. So, Nevaeh, anything you want to say?
Be good in school.
All right, be good in school. Bentley, how about you?
Be kind and never give up.
All right, be kind, never give up. I can't get any better than that. So you guys all have a great day.